Did you have them stars?
No, I ain't never ran stars. I run sundown.
Huh?
So I run sundown. Slick though, man. It's a training day, Monte Carlo right here. Cousin Trey had one right here, a black one. Just like training day. Slick, man. Slick, yeah.
V, man.
Cadillac.
Ooh, look at
Right
that
there.
Trans Am right there.
Smoking the Bandit, bro. Yeah, 3. Slick right there, man.
Ubering in this motherfucker right there.
Huh?
He Ubering, man. Look.
Slick. Which one? You got, I like, got the top chopped on it.
Let's go over here.
Huh? Man, I'm gonna go check his Camaro out. Slick. Slick. Man, it's badass right there. Wow.